Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix Instagram story quality problem. So guys, if you have problem in your Instagram story when you upload your Instagram story and the quality of story will changed into low quality, then I'll help you how to fix it. So let's start without wasting any time. So first of all, open your Instagram. So if you want to upload story from here and it will be convert into blurry, then click on your main profile, click on three lines and click on setting and privacy. So after this, scroll down, and here is the option of data usage and media quality. So you need to click here, and after this here you can see use less media data. So make sure that it is off and upload at highest quality. So on it, these two options are sensitive for your story quality. So first one is off, use less mobile data, make sure that it is off, and upload at highest quality, make sure it is off. So by doing this setting, your story will not change into low quality. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.